Improve your typing skills with grammar and spell fix. First, type your message. Then tap on the grammar and spell fix. This will correct your sentence and give you a clean and natural version. Tap on Replace Text and Send. Using Rewrite, change your writing tone. Type your message. Tap Rewrite and select the writing tone. With Custom AI, using prompts to create messages in your own style. First, tap on Rewrite and go to Add Custom Tone. Tap on Create Custom Tone and set the title and write your prompt. Save it and go back to your message. Type your text. Tap Rewrite and select the custom tone you set. Upgrade your typing experience with ImproveType.